Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, this is a Commodore Vanderbilt. I've done several videos on this. Custom painted it, hammered metallic pewter, and excuse me, an old American Flyer tinder, and painted it to match. Now, this thing came in a box of parts, and it was trashed, just absolutely trashed. So I changed the trucks and added tab and slot connectors or couplers, and painted it to match the Commodore Vanderbilt. And this is a wind-up conversion. And like I said, I think I've done several videos on some of these. Anyway, I've got it on the tin litho rail, and just added a traction tire to it. And it's really amazing the amount of difference that this is a traction tire made out of a piece of black vinyl tape. And I just cut it to size and lay it on the wheel and then run it around the rail, and it makes a tremendous difference. And you don't get any wheel slip, so all the energy is going to driving the engine and pulling the load rather than just spinning the wheels. And you'd be surprised how much better, smoother, and they run better, faster on less power because you're not getting any wheel slip. Anyway, I just wanted to take this around. I think there's either 21 or 22 cars on this, all tin litho, so this is getting heavy. You see there's no wheel slip at all. That's at 50% power right now. So that traction tire makes a tremendous difference in how these things run. It sounds different. It's definitely running better than it ever has. And the interesting thing about it is how smooth it makes the engines run, because there is no wheel slip at all. It's just rolling around the track rather than the wheels spinning while it's rolling around the track. So this actually looks quite good. It's running really, really well now that I've added that traction tire to it. So I will very likely leave it on there. And it's pulling 22 cars from a dead stop on a curve. So it has plenty of pulling power now. So all in all, it was definitely worth the effort. And this thing was just an old beat up junker that I found on eBay. And put a motor in it, repainted it. And the finials were so rusty I couldn't save them, so I just painted them black. And it came out pretty nice. And this tender, like I said, this was just in the junk box, just the body. So all in all, it's a fairly nice Commodore Vanderbilt. Anyway, just wanted to do that test and thought I'd do the video. Adding that traction tire makes an absolute tremendous difference in how this engine runs. And it's really interesting that such a small piece of tape, you know, it's an 1/8 inch wide and about 3 inches long, wrapped around that wheel. And the nice thing about using a piece of tape is that you don't have to deal with the side rods. Now, whereas a traction tire, you can only put them on the front wheels. You can't put them on the back unless you disassemble the engine. So anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. It works really well. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.